best trading channel.
Hi guys, welcome to this channel. Welcome to Traders Classroom. Today we are going to continue with our class on market structure. So let us dive in to the term market structure. If you are new to this channel, we are starting from the rudimental level of market structure. So kindly go back and watch our previous video before coming to this point. If you have know certain things about market structure, it is also good that you start and continue with this video. We want to make Traders Classroom in a way that anybody that come can watch and learn how to trade, price action, and even that trading strategy that we're going to introduce. My name is Mark Collins ID. We are forex teacher here. So until the time that I'll be incorporating another people. So what are we talking about today? We're talking about characteristics of market structure. When we talk about market structure, what are those things that every trader is supposed to know? First of all, we have to talk about support and resistance. We are going to make this video to be as fast as possible so that we'll go to the main thing. So first of all, we'll talk about support and resistance. Is one of the characteristics of market structure. Then what is support and resistance? Resistance is the point where market reach at the higher level and it will go back. When you reach that place again, it will go back. So this market trended up, comes down, and traded up and reach this level and still come down. Those points where there is always a bullish reversal to the bearish level, that is what is called trend line resistance. This place, we are using this red line to represent the market trend. So these places are the resistance level. Then that point where market support before it reverses to the upside down, support, it reverses to the upside down, support, those are the support. Is very simple. Then another concept of market is also, another characteristic of market structure is also demand and supply. Demand and supply. Demand is where people are looking to buy from the market. So when the market comes down, they will now buy. It will reach up, they will now sell. Which people supply to buyers, not the sellers. Then which people sell to buyers. When you demand for something, you buy, then the seller will still sell. So support, demand zone is almost equivalent to support level. Then supply zone is equivalent to resistance level. So demand zone are those zones where more buyers come into the market. Then while supply zone are those places where sellers are willing to sell. Demand zone are those areas where the buyers are willing to buy, while supply zone is the area where sellers are willing to sell. So if at this point you will not be talking about selling this market, then but one is actually going to sell at this point. You buy when something is low, then you sell when something is high. Then another characteristic of market structure is highs and low. So this is one of the most important aspects of market structure that every trader needs to know. Whenever they are talking about one of the simple concepts that is always common in forex trading, when I say that you should buy low and sell high, buy low, sell high. It's common in normal market. When do you sell something often? When there is for instance, if you are a farmer and you pack a bag of groundnut inside the house, so when do you likely to sell? It's not when the price is high. You always say when price is high. Then when do you buy? As someone that want to store market, you always buy when this price of things is sold. So that's why we're going to be talking about highs and lows. Then when we talk about highs and lows is when the market trends down, when the market is trending down, market don't just move down straight. It moves in the level of lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs. Then what do you mean by the lower low? This means when you say that this thing is lower low, or say that this thing is lower low, this means that this low is lower than the previous low. Then this low is lower than this previous low. Then when you talk about lower high, It means that this low is lower than previous high. This is high, but it is lower high than the previous high. Then this one is lower high than the previous high. Whereas when you are talking about the market that is in downtrend, what do you mean by the market is in downtrend? Market is in downtrend where market is moving downside or market is bearish. Then when we talk about another thing, higher highs, higher high, higher high, then higher low, higher low, higher low. Then this market is trending up. It trends up to this high and come back to this higher low. This is low, it comes down, but it not comes down below this low. Then this is another high, higher of high. It's higher than this previous high. Then this is low. This low is lower than this high, but is lower. This is higher lows. This low is higher than this low. So as this low is higher than this low, so that's why it's called higher low, higher low, higher low. So this, when you see higher low, higher low, higher low, know that the market is in uptrend. Then when you see higher high, higher highs, it's also know that market is in uptrend. Then when you see lower high, lower high, lower highs, that is when you talk about downtrend. Then HH means higher highs, HL means higher lows, LL means lower lows, LH means lower highs. All these things are abbreviation to avoid accumulation of write up in this paper. So then another aspect of trading is what is called breakout and retest. When you're talking about market structure, every price action trader that use market structure as the basis of their listing should also know what break and retest is all about. So looking at price action or market structure, there is always tendency where market will break a particular point, which is either breaking of resistance or breaking of support. Then most of the times you see that a bag of rice we are just selling at 30,000, 29,000, 30,000, 29,000, 30,000, 29,000, 30,000. Before you know it, the bag of rice will now go above 30,000. When it goes above 30,000, what happens? Maybe a lot of people will start selling that this rice has gone far. Then because of so many price of rice in the market, the rice will now come down because the supply is more than the demand. The price of rice will now come back to like 31 or 30. That's when they say that the price break above this resistance level, then that is what is called breakout. When the price of rice shoot from 30,000 to above like 40,000 or 35,000, the price of rice has broken above the normal price that rice was sold before. Then before coming down due to too much supply of rice in the market, you will now come back to 30. That is when people will now decide, should I buy now? Because people are now speculating that price of rice will increase. That's when I say, as price of rice has come to the normal price, let us start buying again, especially when the thing start rising to 31,000. Let's see that the price of rice is about to spike again. So market is just like real life event. So that's when it breaks above this normal resistance level or normal support level, that is when you say that price has broken out. Then when price has broken out, then when we talk about retest, it will now come back to that normal resistance level or normal support level. It has broken this level. Then and when it comes back to that place, that's what is called retest. So I'm not teaching how to enter break and retest. So this is in this scope, this is the only place that are going to end in breakout. Then another one is what is called fake out or fake breakout. Fake breakout is that situation whereby rice was selling like 20k, it's selling like 20k. Then before you know it, one or two things happens. Assuming there are people that foreigner that came to buy rice, or someone is doing a big celebration or political campaign or political period, then a demand for rice increase. Then when people discovers that a demand for rice increase, then the price of rice will now shoot like 25,000. When the price of rice shoot 25,000, that doesn't mean that price of rice want to continue from that 15,000, then 25,000 I mean. that doesn't mean that price of rice want to shoot above that 25,000 continuously. Then that price of rice will shoot like 25,000 for that moment where someone is doing campaign, or there is big celebration just like Christmas period. Then it will still come back and maintain the level of going to 20,000, come back to 15,000, go to 20,000, come back to 15,000. This thing that happen here, sudden breakout of price beyond or above normal selling or buying limit, buying point. That's what is called breakout. It break out for a moment and you think that it's about to establish another, let me just say, price. Sometimes rice was sold to 20,000 at the range. Some certain times it reached to 25,000, it reached to 30,000. So people now think that, oh, price of rice want to leave 20,000. We're using 20,000 as a case of study. Price of rice want to leave 20,000, now go above this. Then people don't know that it's because of other political events like campaign or festive period like Christmas or New Year. Then when it trade above that place, it will now come back. So I'm just trying to use real life events to relate it with this market. So when price break above this resistance level but did not establish another support or resistance, will still come back and continue the normal trend. That's when we'll talk about fake breakout. So these are the only component, the characteristics of price action, market structure that I'll be talking about at this episode. So wait for more components, because that's in our next video we'll be talking about where to spot support and resistance, and where to spot other things that you find in the market. So thank you for watching. If you are new to this channel, the best thing you will do for yourself is to subscribe, especially if you're a new trader, because we are preparing massive things for you. This is just the beginning. There are a lot of things that is coming to your table very soon. Thank you very much and remain blessed. Just click that subscribe button and like this video. This beginning, we are starting and we are making sure that we deliver meaningful something. Thank you very much.